Finally, there is an answer or some sort of explanation as to why aspiring learned friends are failing exams in large numbers at the Kenya School of Law. A new study has established that law students who join law school, having been admitted to universities with low grades, are likely to fail the bar exams. The study also established that the substandard courses offered by some universities were also to blame. NTV's Silas Apollo reports.
If your dream is to become a lawyer, then maybe it's time you considered not just the grades you attain in your final examinations, but also the university you choose to attend for your undergraduate studies, at least going by the latest studies by the Kenya School of Law. The study shows that the mass failure at the institution is tied to the grade 1 scores in their KCSE examination and the university they attend. In fact, 65.8% of students admitted to the Kenya School of Law said they had received little training in their undergraduate studies, a factor linked to the mushrooming of universities which offer substandard education. Another 74.3% of the students said the curriculum they were exposed to while at the university was inadequate.
Those students who had performed very well in their KCSE and then been admitted to do the law program, when it comes to the bar exam, they have a higher pass rate than those who might have still met the minimum requirement, but probably were either C+ or B- students.
The report is a product of concerns of the increasing number of students who fail to graduate from the Kenya School of Law. Reports indicate that at least 80% of students who sat their bar exams in November 2018 failed. It is these failures that have seen fingers pointed at the institution, with MPs at one point summoning the Attorney General to explain the root cause of the problem. And the report released on Wednesday notes that the School of Law also suffers a backlog of students, given the increasing number of those studying law. This has in the process put a strain on the ratio of teachers to students. The school also lacks facilities to cater for the growing numbers, resulting to a scramble for space in classrooms and resources.
Examination process is very rigorous and structured in such a way that there's independence in the setting, in the marking, in the moderation, in the quality assurance or remark, and the council itself, as the report says, does not interfere with the marks that are given by the markers.
Part of the recommendations include raising the entry points to universities and the Kenya School of Law, as well as improving facilities at the institution. The bar exams test 9 units and students are allowed by law to take a maximum of 9 units and a minimum of 5. Silas Apollo, NTV.